How to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting the reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Instagram application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you'll be led to your profile where you have posted different reels. So tap on the reel section which is in the middle. So here you can see 3 reels over here. Now to invite the collaborators, what you can do is just tap on the reel and then tap on the second 3 dotted line. So tap on the 3 dotted lines here and then you can see the option of manage over here. So just tap on manage and tap on edit. So here you can see the option of tag people. So here you can see after going to the tag people, you can tap on invite collaborators, and if they accept, the username will be added to the reel and it will be shared with your follower and shown on their profile. So this way you can invite the collaborators after posting on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.